Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the exciting new features of BigPicture's latest release as of May 20th. Whether you are a seasoned project manager or just getting started, these updates are sure to enhance your workflow. So let's get started. I am Marta Bojanovic and I'm part of Genius Gecko, a company which since 2015 been dedicated to helping teams worldwide unlock the full potential of Jira-based project management tools, especially BigPicture, but not limited to. Our mission is clear: to provide top-tier training and implementation services that transform how organizations manage projects and portfolios. At Genius Gecko, we don't just teach the tools, we live them. Whether you're adopting BigPicture for the first time or looking to optimize your current setup, we're here to guide you every step of the way. So let's dive into the latest BigPicture release and explore how these new features can benefit your team. First, let's talk about the timebox schedule. As you may know from one of our previous videos, the new timebox schedules feature helps standardizing planning across projects, meaning that you can set time boxes once and then reuse the structure repeatedly. And BigPicture now allows you to generate a timebox schedule using your existing Jira sprints. Let me go to my Jira environment. You can see that I have a project where I have few sprints already created. If I would go to BigPicture, I can create a new timebox schedule with 2-week sprints, then tell BigPicture to use existing Jira sprints, then choose levels. I've chosen iterations, and then I hit create. After that, you can choose to synchronize sprints with your already existing board. So let's search for my board. That's 026, and you can see all my sprints, their status, start and end dates, and whether they are ready to be synchronized. So let's hit save. And now they are going to be synchronized automatically. This means you can automatically create time boxes based on your current sprint data in Jira, saving you time and ensuring consistency across your projects. So this is ready to be assigned to boxes. And now I can select a box that I would like this timebox schedule to be assigned to. If I would now go to my Gantt module and enable time boxes, they will be there for me. Let's move to the second enhancement. Probably you are already familiar with filters. Maybe you have your favorite ones. Let's mark one of those as my favorites. Let's say this one is one of the favorite ones that I'm using the most. And currently, quick filters as buttons are back, so navigating through tasks just got easier. Let's observe what would happen in this right upper corner of the screen. Now you can ask BigPicture to show favorites in header, and as soon as I activate this one, you can see those buttons in this upper part of the screen. So as simple as that, you can use those filters as buttons that are there for you. Also, the third enhancement is related to filters, but to the custom ones. Now you can use this custom filters panel to filter by skills, in case you have any, and issue type. So you can choose whichever you have to be shown on the screen for you. And the last that was added recently is priority. So it's also available on the list. Fourth enhancement is related to the resources module. We just discussed time boxes, so let's enable those. And as soon as you have any within your box and you are scrolling down to see other parts of the screen with some other data, then it will be there for you. I mean, this time box's information. So despite you are scrolling, choosing maybe different view, it's still there, right? You can see all the iterations, PIs in this upper part of the screen. There is also a new information available for you as soon as you choose Projects swim lane. You can see all the tasks that aren't assigned to any time box, so there's no iteration part. Plus, if a user isn't part of any team, this information is now visible under their resource name. So in case there won't be any team assignment, it will be there for you. And the last, fifth enhancement, also related to resources. As soon as you go to your list of resources, now you can see archived resources in the same place as usual. However, as soon as you enter the account of this archived user, then you can see as of when this account, this user was archived. So in this place, it will be visible for you. So that's a wrap on the latest big picture updates. These enhancements are designed to streamline your project management processes and provide greater visibility into your workflows. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you.